So Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Kainat Baloch. That how to take out the proper meaning of that sentence. So how will you feel? Just imagine for a minute or two that you are expert in speaking, you are expert in writing, you are expert in words, pronunciations, spelling mistakes. You are expert in everything, but without reading, and in the reading this portion, you don't know that how to take out the meaning. So this is going to be about all this. So most of the time multiple people must have told you this thing that grammar is not important. Of course it's not important. I am also not saying that it is important, but in just speaking it is not important. It can't play any kind of huge role, big role in speaking, but it plays few roles in other kind of portions of English. Believe me, whenever you read, the reason of not taking out the proper meaning of sentence is this, that you are not the touch with grammar. You have never touched the grammar. You don't know that what is narration, what is active voice, passive voice, what is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. You don't know about this all. That's why what you are doing, you are not being capable to take out the proper entire and like best meaning of that sentence. So this is the reason. Yeah, you can't touch the grammar, but when you are speaking, okay, it is not relates to speaking, but grammar plays very huge role in reading. Okay, for example, now see, you are reading the lesson and that sentence is in narration. Okay, she said that Ali is working hard, or it is an active voice, passive voice. Apple is being eaten by Sarah. Okay, so this kind of sentences, you will of course think that I have never seen this kind of sentences in my copy, I have never heard this kind of sentences. So you would never be capable to take out the meaning. That's why better for you would be, sometimes you should touch the grammar, sometimes you should study that, not lot, but however you should work on that. You should spend few minutes, okay, few minutes, just see what exactly it is. General knowledge is very important. Yeah, that's why sometimes when you read, you cannot imagine this, that what actually this line is saying. Doesn't matter if you have not lot of knowledge about grammar, but you can exploit your general knowledge at that point of time. How it could be possible? Then let me share with you. You most of the time you ignore commas, full stop, where should I stop, where should I start, how should I read, and how should I push the voice when I'm starting, how should I decrease the voice when I'm stopping. So you don't know about these all things. Why you don't know? Because you have ignored every time. But it is not like that. You have not to ignore here, because it is the reading. You are expert in everything. Without reading, it is your huge mistake. If you are going to be expert in everything of English, then it is also mandatory for you to be the expert in one thing. For example, you are embellishing your face, okay, you are applying new products on your face, but your hands, you are not applying any kind of just simple product on your hands. So how it would be look like? It would be very bad. Your face would be shining, and your hands would be like dark, like something like this. So that's why, as it is, you are making this mistake in English. Your speaking is excellent, but if we talk about reading, your hands are black. As it is, your speaking, your reading is nothing. So that's why cover every kind of portion and try to preserve equality between all and every portion of English. Okay, so in this video I just wanted to convey this to you all, and I just wanted to clear up this misconception and this misunderstanding from your mind, that grammar is important and it plays some different roles in reading. As I have told you, that without grammar and without general knowledge, you are not going to taking out the proper and exact meaning of any sentence. That's why touch grammar, it is not important in speaking, but it is important in reading. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked this video, so subscribe it, like it, and comment it. Thanks.